Okay, here's the new window that I installed in the back of our home. I did all the new painting, put the new cedar wood edging up there, painted it all, and I just laid down this little patio recently. The animals love it as much as everyone else. Here's it's like a 10 by 10 patio, and I made these little designs. There's Fresh. Hi, Fresh. Oh, hi, son. You're a good boy. There's Mika. They all love the patio, so I put a little step fret design there. It's really cool to come and sit there. See the little step fret? There's my Fresh following me everywhere. He's like a little puppy. So here's the little patio. It's really nice to come in and sit down. See? A little pyramid action there. So there we go. So I made this little patio as a memento, so when they remember me and I'm in Hawaii, they say, well, at least he left us a nice little patio. Okay? So that's, and then it looks like this. Hey, from the window. And there's Fresh again. There's Mika. And that's the patio. The rest of our beautiful yard. God bless this home.